Boom, what is happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to be a successful affiliate marketer and what can being a successful affiliate marketer do for you. And let's take a look at that, my friend. So what being a successful affiliate marketer can do for you, it can help you create a freedom lifestyle, and that's living a life self-designed and saying yes to the things you love and no to the things you don't. Having a freedom lifestyle means choosing to fit in more recreation in everyday life, where work is what you love and doesn't consume your life. What else it can do for you, my friend? It can give you time freedom and location freedom. You can spend your time doing more remarkable, meaningful things like changing the world and other people's lives. You can also lead a more conventional lifestyle, and you don't have to commute to work every day. What else it can do is it can give you incredible scalability and to grow without being hampered by its structure or available resources when faced with increased production. So also it can also give you unlimited income, so you can theoretically make as much money as you want without a limit, which is really cool. And financial security, so it can give you the peace of mind you feel when you aren't worried about your income being enough to cover your expenses. You have enough money saved to cover emergencies and your financial future goals. So this is the number one big mistake that I see people who are failing in affiliate marketing have, and it is that they don't have a vision of what they want to create and build. So this is number one that we want to tackle of 9. And how to be a successful affiliate marketer is number one, you want to have a vision of what you want to create and build, because I see people, they're failing all the time because they don't have a vision. They don't know where they're going. They're getting stung by the little challenges throughout the day because they feel like they're not making the progress. But when you have a big vision of what you want to create and you know where you're going, it helps you become a successful affiliate marketer. Number 2 big mistake that I see people making out there is they don't take responsibility for their own success. You know, they're like, oh, it's a mentor's problem. It's their fault that I'm not successful. Why am I not successful? It's their problem. It's this problem. It's this thing I'm promoting. But really, what you've got to do is you've got to take your full responsibility for your own future and your own success. Number 3 is I see people doing, they never take the time to master the game, and that's why they're failing, is they don't know their industry, they don't know their competitors, they don't know their positioning strategy, they don't take the time to identify the key training areas, they don't know the general rules of the game, and they don't have multiple streams of income. So that's number 3, is you want to master the game on how to become a successful affiliate marketer. And I see people, they never take the time to master the game, and that's why they end up failing. Number 4 is, I see this happening all the time, is they don't commit to their success, they don't commit to going all in, and they're just trying to do the bare minimum to make a sale. Now, this is why I brought this up as number 4, because number 4 is commit to going all in and how to become a successful affiliate marketer. And I see people and they're not fully committed. They don't believe in themselves, and that reflects in the results. So number 5 is I see people, they end up giving up too early because they don't give it time to take off. They don't have the patience. They don't listen to any inspirational things to help them keep going. They just give up, and they don't give it time to take off. So that's number 5 on how to become a successful affiliate marketer. Number 6 is that they don't focus on momentum, and how you end up focusing on momentum is through leverage and systems, and they don't create any leverage or systems to help them with the commitment to speed, perseverance and persistence. And that's number 6 mistake I see them making. Number 7 is that the reason why people end up failing, these people in affiliate marketing, is because they never take the time to optimize anything in their business. They just think that they can build the thing once and it's going to be that's going to be the thing forever. But really, what you want to do is you want to be constantly improving your engine, your conversion rates, your videos, your bridge pages, your sales messages, and your traffic sources. And this is the number 7 reason why I see people fail in affiliate marketing, is because they don't take the time to really understand the optimization process. Number 8, the reason why I see people failing in affiliate marketing is because they don't know what they're promoting. And if you don't know what you're promoting, you're just trying to make a quick sale, it's not going to be lasting. You'll be lucky if you make a sale if you don't know what you're promoting. And if you don't know what you're promoting, you're just out there trying to make money, it's not really going to work for you. But if you own what you promote, you know the product inside out, you'll have that moral conviction and moral authority, or when you're talking to someone and explaining it to people, because you own the product, you've been through the product, and you know it inside out, and you are the product of the product. That's number 8 mistake I see people making. They don't own the product, they don't know their product that they're promoting. Number 9, and the final one, is that they don't become an authority. They don't decide that they're going to become an authority, the expert, the guru, the person people can come to about the particular subject or topic that they want to specialize in. And this is what number 9 is. You want to take that role of being the authority in your niche, and this is what I had to share with you, my friend. These are 9 things that I see people making mistakes with in affiliate marketing, and how to avoid them, and what things to do. If you enjoyed that video, my friend, and you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and really go deeper into the 9 different mistakes that I see people out there making, you can head to the link below and you can find out more there as well. Have a great day, my friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.